Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Start by diagnosing the security system with simple checks and measurements. First, measure the vehicle battery voltage at 12.6 V for a full charge. Next, remove the key fob and check the coin cell battery. Most are CR2032 at 3V. Then inspect the fuse panel for alarm fuses labeled 10A and 15A and replace blown fuses. Finally, connect an OBD2 scanner and read stored fault codes before replacing components. Reset and reprogram remotes using the vehicle procedure in the following order. First, cycle the ignition on and OFF 3 times, and then leave it OFF for 10 seconds. Next, press the vehicle lock button twice to enter programming mode. Within 5 seconds, press the fob lock button to pair the remote. Repeat for each remote, and then test remote range up to 50 FT to confirm all doors and trunk respond. When modules or sensors fail, perform targeted repairs and replacements. First, remove and bench test the siren. Replace it if the speaker draws more than 0.5A or emits no sound. Next, test door and hood sensors with a multimeter for 0 to 5V signal swings and repair any broken wiring harnesses or corroded connectors. Replace the security module if it shows communication faults on the CAN bus. Finally,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.